Here's some ancient script decipherment trivia. Subscribe. What script was deciphered by Jean-François Champollion? Is it A, Sanskrit, B, Kanji, C, hieroglyphs, or D, Latin? The correct answer is C, hieroglyphs. Which hieroglyphic script uses logograms? Is it A, Latin script, B, Egyptian hieroglyphs, C, cuneiform script, or D, Phoenician alphabet? The correct answer is B, Egyptian hieroglyphs. Which ancient script is known for its runes? Is it A, hieroglyphics, B, runic alphabet, C, cuneiform, or D, Latin alphabet? The correct answer is B, runic alphabet. What writing method was used in ancient Persia? Is it A, cuneiform, B, runic alphabet, C, Latin script, or D, hieroglyphics? The correct answer is A, cuneiform. What script served the Achaemenid Empire? Is it A, hieroglyphics, B, cuneiform, C, Old Persian, or D, Latin? The correct answer is C, Old Persian. Which ancient writing system predates hieroglyphs? Is it A, cuneiform writing, B, Mayan script, C, Phoenician script, or D, runes? The correct answer is A, cuneiform writing. What ancient script is inscribed on the Diskos of Phaistos? Is it A, Greek alphabet, B, Phaistos disk, C, Cretan hieroglyphs, or D, linear A? The correct answer is B, Phaistos disk. Which language used the Brahmi script? Is it A, Tamil, B, Chinese, C, Arabic, or D, Sanskrit? The correct answer is D, Sanskrit. What ancient script is specifically linked to Meroe? Is it A, Meroitic cursive, B, Brahmi script, C, linear B, or D, runic script? The correct answer is A, Meroitic cursive. What script was used in the Persepolis inscriptions? Is it A, Old Persian cuneiform, B, Sumerian script, C, Greek script, or D, Latin alphabet? The correct answer is A, Old Persian cuneiform. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.